Hi, wifey. How do you feel?
Bliss, bliss.
Sitting in a houseboat like structure, the floating room on your anniversary day. What are your thoughts on starting that coffee and
Coffee corner.
connections?
Totally.
It has been a year since we started.
आवाज दे तुम.
Could this be our impromptu first announcement?
Ah, sure. What do you want to start the conversation with?
I think you should always start from the very beginning.
Okay.
Like the song goes Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti.
Okay.
Let's start from the very beginning.
A very good place to start.
Yeah, so we should have our first episode probably about our first meeting, how we met first,
Okay.
and then see how it goes.
ठीक है.
And then probably we should have guest couples like us on our show once we are into like 10 episodes of it.
Okay.
How's that idea? Coffee and connections. So naturally, we need to make some connections with other people as well.
First, we should rebuild the connection with ourselves.
रीबिल्ड क्या अपना कनेक्शन कभी हुआ है क्या डिस्कनेक्ट
Keep breaking it. We keep making it. So,
Yeah, so the whole show would be about that.
yes.
That how you like how the coffee and connections keep happening.
Yes.
Though I'm a tea lover, but then it's okay. I mean, tea and connections would not sound so aesthetic.
You can go
All
with
tea
tea and
lovers are going to
tethered.
hate it, huh?
Tea and tethered.
टी एंड टेथर्ड वो भी अच्छा है थोड़ा भारी भरकम है कॉफी एंड कनेक्शंस इज नाइस हल्का फुल्का
Okay.
दो इन माय कप देयर विल ऑलवेज बी टी सो बट वी कैन राइट कॉफी ऑन इट
You're a hypocrite. You've been drinking coffee from like yesterday.
हाँ यहाँ का कॉफी मस्त है यार
Even
It's
in the
मस्त
train, you had.
yeah actually
Then
I
what
don't
do
know
you?
I just because out of four people when three people are having coffee तो ऐसा लगता है कि why should I be the odd man out
Odd man out. You should learn to give value to your needs.
sure so yeah that would also be one part of the show
See,
giving
I'm
value
bringing out what will be the part of
giving
the show.
value to the needs in a relationship individual needs
Yes.
apart from being a
Because we are always doing this. Wow, others are doing this, so let me not do this.
exactly
Or I'll
and
be the odd person out. Like, why do we want to be not the odd person? And why can't we hold that odd one, how do you say, oddity and also enjoy?
yes and so basically it's like most of the times you try to change for other people especially in a
Doesn't
relationship
work. Doesn't go for a long time.
and then we like write sad poems about how
Yeah, doesn't work.
a relationship made you change and then you are not happy
Yes.
with the new changed person so I think that could also be one of the
Yes, like I like to sleep early in the morning and you love to get up early in the morning and I'm like, okay, you go out, enjoy
exactly
your walk and come back. You'll
that
find me here sleeping.
so today I needed my sleep because in the train I didn't sleep so but tomorrow's plan actually I was already thinking
Yeah,
in my
I
mind
know.
okay, I'll get up 6 in the morning and go in the canal there
And you're welcome to do it as long as you don't
yeah
disturb me. Go, go.
so the show is also going to be probably about this and let's have it like this
Yeah,
let's have a dual camera and let's just blabber
yeah. Blabber? No, I will always talk sense. You can blabber.
I am going to blabber
I'm going to talk
and
sense.
I don't know we could have Shahan and Shayan also part of it in a way because see I may speak random things coming from the 90s person I may speak some things that probably need some censorship today
Okay.
because
Shahan will call you out always.
yeah so Shahan could be the person who could call out my or sometimes you also will call out no
Sometimes I will do that
कुछ
always.
हाँ मैंने कुछ कैंसल कल्चर का
No,
कुछ
no,
बोल
it
दिया
is not coming from cancel culture. I will be more questioning, like, how dare you do this?
नहीं I am worried about that speaking something randomly which today in today's time you cannot say certain things that way so
You
probably
are pretty control in front of camera. I doubt you're going to say things like
I
that.
know but
You
I
do
mean
that more
still
behind the camera,
I'm
and
just
then
finding reasons to involve Shahan and
you
Shahan
can. They come up with good wisdom. They have seen us grow
yeah
as mommy and daddy with them. So they will give you a lot of pearls of wisdom, and they're pretty wise people. So I don't mind having them all.
right
I really don't.
so apart from us do you think you can have another couple on the show
Another
later on
couple.
as a guest.
That also depends on the couple's willingness to come on the show.
अरे
No?
बट ऐसा सपोज ऐसा सेलिब्रिटी कपल कोई होगा तो
भाई
कौन
celebrity couple, तू और तेरा celebrity.
कौन हो सकता है ऐसा जस्ट फॉर फन
हाँ, we'll call Jaya Bhaduri and Amitabh Bachchan. Okay.
Jaya Bhaduri doesn't have a great relationship with the camera though.
That is what I said. It will be all depending on the couple's willingness.
Right.
So
True.
who else? Who else? Who else?
Anybody we know of.
You know, I would not know any celebrity couple.
Not celebrity. Normal इंसान हमारे जैसे
हमारे जैसे नॉर्मल को
ऐसे पैदा ही नहीं
using
होते।
हमारे एंड नॉर्मल टुगेदर which is that
हमारे जैसे
Doesn't go with-
नॉट नॉर्मल पीपल जरा भी
हमारे
पैदा नहीं
जैसे
हुए
not
कपल
normal. Let them see the show and volunteer. No, let
श्योर
us
दैट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया
tell them that are you willing, number one, to come
be
on
a
the
part,
camera.
yeah.
Second, are you willing to blabber or talk sense, whatever
Right.
and however it goes, and what would they want to talk about?
श्योर
Because the first thing anybody has to face the camera is like, what will my relatives say?
Yeah.
Oh, we can't share all these things about our wedding.
Right.
So let's not. Let's keep it like,
Yeah,
if you
open.
volunteer, we'll be welcoming you.
Sure. And बातों ही बातों में we have shot around 7 minutes of this content which just started with me talking about कि पता नहीं, we just started the topic, I just picked up the camera and started speaking that, and it's a great day to start because it's our anniversary. We have completed 28 years together and more because we met each other in the year 1992.
Yeah.
And I think ये तो अपने आप में एक first episode हो गया. So
and that
second,
also is very debatable that exactly when did we meet now?
Debatable
Because we
क्या
met
है?
on 6th August when
हाँ.
it was Jayashree's birthday,
right,
right? And she had invited us. We were on the bus stop of Mithibai,
right.
and she introduced us, and then there was this coffee bite,
Hmm.
which there was only one coffee bite left,
Yeah.
and like we kind of broke it into half.
Right.
Okay.
I broke it into half.
Okay, you broke it into half,
and
but I took it.
and
that
yeah.
person who took
And
that half.
ये उस जमाने की बात है कि जब कॉफी बाइट लोग कॉलेज में देते थे
I know. Okay, 92 years.
और कॉफी बाइट
हाँ.
उसमें भी एक कम पड़ रही है कॉफी बाइट किस तरह का बर्थडे था वो
But then after that, 8th August is the one when we properly went out in a group. It was
that was a
Deven's
train
birthday.
travel. Yeah.
No, it was Deven's birthday. We went to Agasti for the cane juice,
Right.
and
Yeah.
we were there. And I had a novel. And while coming back, you were
Right.
like, "Oh, I read." Like you never read. I'm sure you never read even one page from that novel.
Sonal's memory is like elephant's
Yes,
memory.
Yes, I think it was the first name of that fellow was Frederick somebody. I don't remember the novel, but yeah, you did take that novel and you returned it after a few days.
I
without
just read the
reading
blurb.
it. Yes.
Yeah.
Says
There
the
are-
person who writes books
There are-
wants other people to read his books,
Yeah.
but he will never read people's books.
नहीं, I read the blurb and then I say, wow, it's a good book. Somebody
हाँ.
should read it.
Right, not me. But that is why the debate is there, and we always have had this debate, like because
About?
even for our anniversary,
Yeah.
when is exactly our anniversary? On 15th of August.
Yeah, दो anniversary ना, we're blessed with
on
two
15th of
anniversaries.
December, we went and did our court marriage.
Right.
Okay, I swear we should have stopped there.
Yeah, actually, I don't know
But
why
it
we
was-
did that
I
all
know.
celebration and
on
wasted so much.
19th December, when like people are actually wishing us, that was
Yeah.
our Fera anniversary.
Right.
So we were already married 4 days.
Right.
Right, I was already a Mrs. Snowzer Padiwala.
Right.
by that
Legally.
time.
Legally.
Yeah, legally. But I was given all that bidai and red kapda and all that we did on 19th.
Right.
So we celebrate both the things.
Right.
We met 6th August or 8th August, we don't know. So I think we start celebrating the entire week
Right.
of our meeting, 6th to 8th. Then our birthdays also, 1st June is me, 5th June is you. So
Yeah.
we celebrate the entire birthday. Even Chan, they came
Yeah.
like 4 days of each other. Like one 19th of April and another 23rd of
23rd.
April. So we have
So again,
weeks
we
of
have a
celebration.
week. Huh.
We have weeks of celebration in the entire month. So much time and how do you say, reason to go out for a vacation.
Right.
So yeah.
And some trivia about the story about the coffee bite. Sonal mentioned the Agasti juice center. That was a गन्ना juice center, sugar cane juice मिलता था वहाँ. और मिठी बाई से स्टेशन जाने के रास्ते पे था वो. and it was like the halt for almost entire gang of college students जो वहाँ से पास होते
5
थे.
रुपए का ग्लास.
हाँ, 5 रुपए का गन्ना जूस मिलता था full.
Half was some.
Yeah, ₹2.5 or something. I don't know,
3
₹3 था something. And the entire group of people from Mitibai College used to wait there. I'm sure it's not existing anymore, or in some other corner it's there. But that was one trivia that she spoke about. And yeah, I still stand by that. Coffee Bite was shared by me because that was
No,
only
no, no. I agree.
only one left, and I got that. And then I looked at your face and I said, यार इसके साथ बांट देते हैं. और फिर वो कॉफी बाइट जो शेयर किया उसके बाद पूरी जिंदगी शेयर कर दी. Right.
That's true. I took it also.
Of course. तो
वो जमाने में in the
Yes.
patriarchal setup, a girl would not have taken it. Like मैं कैसे ले सकती हूँ? But
क्या
I
बात
took
कर
it.
रहे हैं? ऐसा थोड़ी है. उसमें पेट्रियार्की कहाँ आ गई?
हाँ, आती है.
ओके.
Girls are not supposed to take आधा झूठा coffee.
मैंने कहा उसको झूठा थोड़ी किया था. मैंने तो ऐसे ही दे दिया.
Oh,
So
no, we did share, no?
okay,
Oh,
so
that happened
okay,
after.
okay.
Wait,
We have a
did share.
guest appearance also from Shine and Shahan. Hi. Okay, so they are going to be our guest stars always.
And
in,
of course, the trivia about the coffee bite you didn't say. On the divider, we actually did share lip to lip. क्या बोलते हैं?
Kiss.
Sharing of coffee bite.
Yeah, we did that.
We
yeah,
did,
we
we did
had
that.
the courage to do that in those times.
Yes.
Imagine on the divider at Mitibai College. Don't try these stunts.
We had the courage. No, I had the courage. That onus I will take.
I mean, but
You
I was a
just challenged,
participant,
but I
no?
took.
I was
You
a
challenged,
participant.
but I took
Yeah.
the challenge.
So Sonal challenged by keeping the coffee bite on the divider. मतलब हम लोग डिवाइडर पे
Yeah,
खड़े
on
थे.
the divider,
मतलब
no, in my mouth.
we were standing on the divider and the coffee bite was in her mouth, and she just looked at me as if whether I can do it or not in
Bhattu was.
full public glare, and I did do it.
You did do it. Yes, agreed.
Right.
So he requires little encouragement, but then he does well.
What do you do in full public? Yeah.
So, guys, this is a part of our episode. You can say hi because you all are going to come and you are going to go live on this for the
Go
first
get
time
dressed.
in these beautiful clothing.
This is how we came in the world. This is how we came on the podcast.
Okay.
Hi. So, how was the swim, guys?
Sean is shivering.
Very warm
Okay.
and hot.
Okay. Cool. So, cutting back to. So, yeah, we have shot almost 12 and a
Yes.
half
So now
minutes
it's time
of.
to say bye bye on
So
that.
this was not actually planned episode at all, guys. So if we have blabbered something nonsense, just bear up with that because that's
or
what.
if we have said something interesting, then let us know.
Yeah.
Why do you want to always put yourself down?
No, but actually, yeah, a lot of interesting things there have been, and I'm sure there are so many Mitibai people watching this, and I'm sure you had some
Even if
experience.
not Minty Bhai, you
At,
have been to college.
Yeah,
Yes, you all have
Yeah.
probably met your other half in college, and you have such funny things or interesting and challenging things to share. So please share with us.
absolutely.
So encourage us to come back on and do this.
Right. And right now, we don't know where are we going to leave this episode. Most probably on Spotify, and it's going to be in YouTube, and it's going to be in the vertical format. If you want us to share something particularly about our relationships, of course we are going to.
We
Luckily
don't
for
need
us,
invitation.
Sonal is also a psychologist, a coach, so we'll get also some insights into relationships and marriage, and some tips for men like me.
Oh, I like it. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you signing off from a beautiful resort in Chervatur. It's called the Oyster
Opera.
Opera,
Yes.
and it's just beautiful. So I'll show around. And
Very close.
it's an amazing. I think should we have all episodes in such exotic locations? If we probably
Very
get
ambitious.
sponsorship for our
Very
show.
ambitious. Mostly it's going to be
Wow,
dining table
that's
for house.
yeah. It's probably we are going to shoot from our dining table from our house or maybe.
Okay,
our-
now, bus. Enough.
Bye bye. See
Too
you.
much
Tada.
for me.
Bye guys.